Hi, beautiful people. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel. As you could tell from the title, today I am going to talk about Pinterest and how you could use Pinterest to market your website. I'm going to show you how to create a pin and how to create a new board to use that pin to reach potential customers. Before I get started on with this video, I want to just show you around my YouTube homepage, and I've gone ahead and create playlists, which it's actually been there a while, but I just want to show you where you could go and find videos related to getting traffic to your website, because I have created a playlist just for that. As I told you in my previous video, I do a lot on my website. I do business videos, which I post every Saturday morning. Well, not exactly morning, every Saturday. So if it's not done Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, but every Saturday you will get a business video from me, covering different aspects as far as traffic, business ideas, and it's mostly having to do with ClickBank. And I also do a lot of videos having to do with beauty and hair. So to make sure that you're not seeing what you don't want to see, I've created playlists. And this video that I'm recording right now, we are going to put right here in a playlist called Affiliate Marketing Tools. And right now there's 43 videos in here waiting for you to view. I'm going to link this playlist in the cards up above. That way you could go in and see all the videos that are in this playlist. Some of the videos in this playlist having to do with ClickBank niche website. I show you how to go about purchasing the websites, how to give you a step-by-step video of how to upload your website to the internet. And now I'm showing you one way of how to market the sites. I've shown you different ways. I showed you how to add your websites to the Google database. I've shown you so much. So make sure you go in and watch this playlist. We're not going to play it right now. So let me get back out of here and go back over. What I'm going to show you right now is how to go about creating a pin for your Pinterest. I'm going to show you how to create a pin for the website that you want your viewers to go to. So according to Hootsuite.com, Pinterest is a popular website. I know a lot of people have not heard about it, but it's popular and it's growing a lot. I know a lot of people have heard about Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as ways to market their website, but Pinterest is also another website that you should consider. So if you have not opened a Pinterest account, it's free to use. You could open multiple Pinterest accounts, because if you have different niches that you want to market and you don't want to mix them all on the one website, you could go ahead and open different Pinterest account and link them all together. So according to Hootsuite, there are 250 million people or more that use Pinterest every month. So these are people, potential customers that you're losing out of if you don't have a Pinterest account. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create a pin. This article right here is from Hootsuite.com, their blog, and there's a lot more articles having to do with gaining traffic to your website. I'm going to link this article down below for you to go and read. So it says 23 Pinterest stats that matter to marketers in 2019. Yes, it says 2019, but I'm sure it's 2019 and beyond. So when you get a chance, click the link below and go in and read this blog. You know, you have to educate yourself as far as marketers. If you don't know it, you watch YouTube videos, you read, and you just get over that learning curve and market yourself. All right, enough of that. Let me show you how to go in and create a pin. So for instance, I want to create a pin for one of the I'm tongue tied, for one of the ClickBank niche websites that I've told you about. Like I said before, I've showed you where I've purchased these niche sites. I don't make them myself. I've purchased them from CB Pro Ads. I've gone in and I've showed you step by step. It's 2 video. I broke it down step by step on how to upload these sites to the internet. And I've told you that there's over 100 niche websites available for you. So if you know, there's always something that will interest you that you could use. And there's always evergreen websites. All right. So right now, I am going to show you how to create a pin for this video game website. It's called Video Game Information and Tips. So what you do, I'm assuming you already have one of these websites up and it's ready to go. So what you do is, for instance, you want to click on this article right here. This site already comes loaded with the social. This site already comes loaded with all the social sites. For instance, if you look over here to the left, you see that you could post this site on, you could post this actual article on Facebook. You could tweet it. Google Plus is not available anymore. You have Pinterest and you have LinkedIn. So we're going to create a pin for this article that's going to lead your reader back to this page, back to this website, this entire website, where they'll be able to view the ClickBank items or products, I should say, the ClickBank products that are being promoted on the site, which is 2 of them, which is Doogie's Ultimate Guide, the all-in-one World of Warcraft guide, all-in-one World of Warcraft guide. Oh my goodness! Don't laugh at me, laugh with me. And another product, I should say, that is being promoted on this website is FIFA. So it tells you about the FIFA Ultimate Team Millionaire Trading Robot. So these are the 2 items that are being promoted, 2 ClickBank items that are being promoted on this site. And up top, there should be a AdSense ad, which is kind of, let me go back to the main page. I'm sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I just want to make sure, maybe I need to come back in here and view to make sure that there's an AdSense ad being promoted, which it should be right here at the top. It's not, so after this video or tomorrow, I will come back in, go into the back office and make sure that I have my AdSense, I have all my AdSense credentials posted in. It could be my fault. When I uploaded it, I probably didn't put in my AdSense, the stuff for my AdSense. All right, so let's go back in. So let's see which one looks more interesting. I would say the Mario Brothers picture, because this is what is going to show up when you do make your pin. So the title of this article is Strategy Genre of Video Gaming. All right, so let's click on it. We are going to go into the article and we want to post this article to Pinterest. We want to link this article in Pinterest to link back so the viewer could come back in here and read this article and actually see this whole website. So the way we do that is, like I said, over here to the left, you have all of these social media tabs. We're going to click on the one for Pinterest. I already have a Pinterest account, by the way. I have one Pinterest account. I have not opened another. So we're going to click on Pinterest. It's going to take me into the sections where I have all of my Pinterest boards. All of my Pinterest boards are going to be there. So as you see right here at the top, it says strategy genre of video gaming. And these are my boards right here. I have quite a few. I don't know exactly how many, but I do have some boards, and I have one here that's called gaming. However, to make sure that I'm doing it to show you as a beginner, we're going to pretend that this gaming one is not here, and we are going to go and we are going to create a new board. The way you do that, you're going to come all the way down here to the bottom. And if you notice down here at the bottom also, when you post it on Pinterest, you could also tweet about it. So we're going to click that, open. We're going to make a check mark there. We're going to click on create board. And we're going to name this new board. Now, what should we name this one? I think I'm going to name it Video Gaming Tips. VIDEO GAMI. I think I might even leave this because this is better than the other one that just says gaming. It's so vague. So it's Video Gaming GAMI and G Tips. Video Gaming Tips. So that is the name of the board. Make sure that is spelled correctly. Okay. And hit enter. Oh, I right click, which I shouldn't. And then I should click create. Oh, I put it in the wrong place. I put it in the search bar when it should be up here. See? Gotta pay attention. I should have to slide up a little bit more. And we're gonna name it Video Gaming TIPS. So that is the name. Come on, I want that S. I can't just put Video Gaming Tips. Okay, my computer's was a little bit slow. So Video Gaming Tips. Slide back down, the button turn red, and then we're going to click on create. And at that time, same time, it's saved to my new board called Video Gaming Tips, and it's also saved to Twitter. So I'm clicking it open. I'm going to the board that it was saved on. And I'm going to take you backtrack with it, so we'll take it back into the website. So it's going to ask me, or it should have asked me, if I want to view my pin. So, yep. So in the board called Video Gaming Tips, I have one pin, and this is my number of followers on Pinterest itself. If I want to see it, then I would click on it. And if, oh, you didn't see, it went by really quickly. Once I put my mouse over the picture, it gave me the website. And here we are. It takes me right back into the website and right back into that particular article. So now the person or people that you are marketing to will come in. Okay, now it's showing my my AdSense ad. Before it wasn't. I think I needed to refresh my page, but now it's showing me my AdSense ad. And don't ever click on your own AdSense ad. It's against the rules, just in case you didn't know. But as I was saying, it takes me, when I click on the Pinterest pin, it took me right back into the video gaming website, videogaming.clickbankqueen.com, and then back into that particular article. Your reader will come in here and read your article, and then get interested and view everything else that is in this website. It will click over here to one of these, and then it will go into, oh, I should click it, right? It will click onto either one of these ClickBank products, and it will take you, let's do the Doogie's Ultimate Guide, and it will take you into your ClickBank product, and hopefully they will buy. And here it is. Takes you into ClickBank website, shows them all the way around, and there you have it. So that is how you create a Pinterest pin in order to market to your customers or your readers, as they would say. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful to you. I will link the blog regarding the study that Hootsuite have done regarding Pinterest. There are a lot more articles on other social media sites that they've done. You could go in and look around and you will see what I'm talking about. So I hope this video has been helpful. Like I said, remember to go in and click and watch the playlist. There are a lot of helpful videos in this playlist that's going to help you along your journey as far as marketing ClickBank products. Not even ClickBank products. You could use it to market your own website, like I'm doing also. So make sure that you go into YouTube and watch these other videos. Go ahead and like this video, please. Thumbs up this video, as they say. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment if you wish, share, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.